So this is the Cooler Master Master Keys Pro L mechanical keyboard. It comes with a backlight, has a bezel-less futuristic design and has genuine Cherry MX switches at a price point of Rs 5700. So is it worth the price? Let's find out by doing its unboxing and a detailed 8 months review. So stay tuned. Hello guys, I'm Mr. Tech aka Mohit, and before we move on to this video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to never miss any update in the world of tech and to watch my awesome new tech videos. Alright, enough talking, so without any further ado, let's dig in. So I've bought this gaming mechanical keyboard from Amazon.in for Rs 5700 8 months back. So this is the hands down cheapest keyboard that both has the genuine Cherry MX switches along with a backlighting. The variant I ordered comes with a white LED backlit and Cherry MX blue switches. Now let's open up the box. The first thing you will find is the keyboard itself covered in a cloth style sleeve. So this is the Cooler Master mechanical keyboard. Below that you have got a user manual. Under this groove you will find a keycap puller and a very long high quality braided USB to micro USB cable. Although USB Type-C would have been a better option, but it still gets the job done because we won't plug it in or out as much as we do with other devices like our phones. So it is perfectly fine, I guess. Now let's move back to the keyboard. At the back you will find the Cooler Master branding in the center and a couple of pretty long and strong rubberized feet, which gives it a sturdy, comfortable and ergonomical incline to type on. Over here you will find that hideous micro USB port, which is kinda difficult to plug in. After that you have got the cable management grooves through which you can route cables in 3 ways like this. Now let's talk about its looks, construction and build quality. It comes with a double shot injected keycaps. That means the legend on it won't be fading away soon in the future. These keycaps are made up of pretty standard ABS plastic. In fact, the whole keyboard is made up of the same plastic. And still, somehow this keyboard feels very sturdy and possesses very minimal flex, unless you are playing with it rather through it. So it is indeed a tank in build quality considering its price. The keycaps and the front plate has a matte and soft touch finishing which lifts up the premium quotient. Now let's plug it in. Here you can see you have got a fairly bright backlit as it uses the standalone white colored LEDs. As you can see, this keyboard comes with a plethora of lighting modes such as static, wave, X-Factor lighting whenever you press a key, individual lighting effect, a gaming mode in which only majorly used gaming controls are lit up, shining stars effect, raining effect, breathing, water ripple effect whenever you press a key, you name it, it has it. And my favorite, whenever you get bored, it has a freaking snake mode. Yes, you can literally play snake game on it by using the arrow keys for control. Also, you can adjust the brightness as well as the speed and direction of the effects on the backlit. Now let's get to typing. First of all, yes, it has the genuine Cherry MX blue switches at this price point. I still can't believe it. Although the keycaps have some amount of wobble, but for a rookie like me who came directly from a cheap membrane keyboard, this keyboard feels really amazing to type on. I mean, the tactile feel of the switches and the clickiness of it, it's so satisfying. I can bet on this. Once you get to use this, you will absolutely hate membrane keyboards. The typing experience is fast and satisfying. In other words, simply amazing. Here is the sound ASMR of me typing on it. Enjoy. Alongside straight on typing, you get more typing and gaming related features. It has a fast ARM Cortex based processor to handle all heavy duties, by which you have got a faster 1 millisecond response time for better gaming, the multimedia controls which can be used by pressing a function key, weird, a Windows lock key for accidental presses while gaming, and it has 4 different speeds of keyboard repetition rates for professional typists and gamers who needs fast repetition rates. For example, you have this much of paragraph to edit. Notice the speeds of backspace at 1x and 8x speeds. Yes, it does this. It may be useful for someone but not for me. The one thing I like though, in fact I found it very ingenious, is that you may have noticed there are not any indicator LEDs separate for caps lock, num lock or scroll lock, as Cooler Master has used that space for 4 more programmable keys. And the backlight behind every key itself is the indicator. A good use of space in my opinion. Now let's finally talk about the review, how it has been after 8 whole months. Honestly, it has been great. By using it, I have written many scripts for my videos, including this one as well, and played some games casually through it. I didn't face any major issues with this, for example any mechanical switch failure or any backlighting issues. Although there is only one switch for the spacebar and there should have been more than one switch or just a single switch having comparatively higher actuation force like green switches. But still, I didn't face any issues or difficulties using the spacebar while typing. Despite the wobble in the spacebar is so pathetic, it feels like something broke inside it. The only gripe I found with this keyboard is that it doesn't sport much more premium PBT plastic keycaps. Instead, they have used ABS ones. Therefore, over the period of time, some frequently used keys have lost their matte finishing and now looks much more glossier than before. So in my humble opinion, this thing makes the whole keyboard look much more weared out and older than its age. I know I'm nitpicking this, as pretty much every keyboard in this price range uses ABS plastics, but it was still worth mentioning. Well, now here comes the question, should you buy it or not? Despite the type of plastic used in the keycaps, like everybody does considering its price point, it offers so much value amongst its rivals. Its build quality is like a tank and still somehow looks and feels more premium than its price. If you are finding a good mechanical keyboard or literally the cheapest Cherry MX keyboard, this keyboard is a bang on deal and you should definitely buy it. And that's it guys for this video. Leave a like if you liked this review, comment your thoughts and share it too, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Tech Fam, the upcoming strongest tech family on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.